I'm Dr. Loendi from legitblueprint.com, where I provide advice to help you start and grow your online business. Last year, I made a decision that changed the course of my life. At that time, I was working a corporate job and I had to go into the office every day from 7:30 till 4:30. Nobody valued my hard work and time I spent at work contributing to the success of the corporate company. It took me 43 years to realize that I will never get ahead if I do not take freedom in my own hands and stop being a corporate servant. I was so scared and wondered if this is what I really wanted. But thinking of my corporate life and the issues I had, I could not continue with the rat race any longer. For years, I was searching the internet for ideas on how to make an income from home without success. I made it my mission to start my own internet business and make money from home to be able to spend time with those I truly care about. I had dreams of traveling the world, but my dreams would never become reality if I do not take this crucial decision. I knew my income should be independent from my time and my location, that I could do whatever I wanted with my time, and that I could be wherever I wanted to be. I made the decision, and I'm using an honest, proven, beginner-friendly blueprint to support my decision. I'm not a millionaire yet, but the strategy I'm following is working. It takes hard work and commitment to keep going, but at least I'm my own boss and not part of the corporate company anymore. I cherish every moment of my life, and that's why I'm making this video for you, as I want to encourage you to do the same. Make a decision today and take your freedom in your own hands. Start a second income. Plan your future and stick to it. Work hard and be consistent, and you will be successful. To help you on this journey forward, I'm making a 4-video series about affiliate marketing. In this series, I'm going to go over 4 different things you need to create your online business. Affiliate marketing is easier than you think. I have been using this method for a year to make money online, which you can use today while in lockdown at home. In this 4-part video series, I'm going to share with you the following. The first video is the overview. Here I'm going to go over the introduction to the business model I'm using so that you can understand how to create your online business. I will show you how you will be able to have a business with no inventory. The opportunity is not in creating your own product, but to connect people to products. The next video is how to get people. So people is the core of any business. Where do you find people? Or what we call it traffic in the online business. We have so many opportunities to use to our advantage. Many online businesses will pay us to get them more people or customers. I'm part of Airbnb, and they connect people with my beach apartment and make their commission. The third video that will come out is all about products. How do you find the products to sell? What products do you recommend to people to buy? You do not need any inventory. You just need to know how to get products that people want. The last video that will come out is about automation. In this video, I will explain to you how to automate your business that you can live your lifestyle the way you want it. Here you will learn how to have your business supporting your lifestyle instead of the other way around. So, wait for the full videos as they will be coming soon. I love affiliate marketing because this gives me the opportunity to promote any product as an affiliate marketer and earn commission from it. These companies do not mind paying you and me if you sign up for promoting their products. I believe in simplification. You don't need to do thousands of things to be successful. Ultimately, it's your business and you decide what you want. If you are really committed to take the next step and you are looking for a proven strategy to start your online business, then click on the link below to follow a beginner-friendly blueprint to start making money online. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and click the bell below and you will receive a notification when my new videos is available. Please leave comments, request for topics and your questions in the comment box below and I will come back to you personally and create a video with your requested topic. See you in my next video on the other side of the screen.